Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add Instagram account to Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to add Instagram account to Facebook account, first open up your Facebook app, and from over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your three line icons just below the messenger icon with your profile picture icon. Tap on the three line icons at the top right corner of the screen. And over here guys, you can see the gear icon or the settings icon again at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your settings icon. And over here again at the top of the screen you can see a Meta Account Center. Tap on the Meta Account Center. And over here guys, you'll be able to see the profiles option at the top of the screen. Tap on profiles. And over here guys, you can see your add accounts option available at the bottom of the screen. Tap on add accounts. And from over here guys, in order to proceed, either you can continue with the account which are logged in into your Instagram over here, or you can just tap on the switch accounts to proceed to log into another account on Instagram. Now over here guys, you will be able to enter your phone number or your username or your email address of Instagram over here, and after that enter your password over here. And the moment you log into your Instagram account on this platform, your Instagram account will be added to Facebook. And there guys, this is how to add Instagram account to Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.